Alright folks, what do you think? Should you stop your PPC ads once you start coming on the first page or even on the first spot of your most primary keyword? Think about it for a moment. Should you stop it or should you keep the ads running? I want you to pick your side before we get into the answer of this question, because when we are getting into the answer of the question, and if you were on the right side, you can probably understand my mindset and you are probably in the right direction. And if you're on the wrong side of the answer, then you need to calibrate your mindset a little bit to ensure that you don't think in those directions anymore. Alright then, let's get into the video. Alright folks, this is your friend 𝐷𝗫𝐿 coming back at you from Republic of Sellers with yet another PPC FAQ question. If you are not checking out the PPC FAQ playlist yet, I must tell you that you should check this playlist out. I'm enlisting all of these obvious questions that a lot of people keep asking about PPC, so make sure you go through all of them. And if you want access to the free fundamental PPC course that I've just created, just drop me a message on my Facebook page, the link is down below, and send me a message saying I want PPC and I will send you the link for that course video. Alright, let's get into the question of the day right now. Alright folks, so I hope you have picked your side. Alright, so let's go ahead and answer the question once and for all. Let's take the example from our course video, which is stainless steel garlic press. Alright, so the short answer to the question is yes, you should keep your ads running even if you are on the first page or even if you're on the first spot of your most primary keyword. Now, why should you be keeping your ads running and on? You need to understand this very carefully, so hear me out. Alright, the reason why should you be keeping your ads on forever, alright, basically forever, is because of this. Let's say you were selling stainless steel garlic press, and let's say you just started selling it probably 30 days ago, and now on the 30th day you've managed your way to appear on the first page of your most primary keyword, which was stainless steel garlic press. Alright, better so, imagine that you are on the first spot as the organic result in the search once a customer searches for stainless steel garlic press. So what should you be doing now? Why should you be running your ads even now? Alright, the reason behind that is that as you search for stainless steel garlic press on Amazon.com, you might notice that there are a couple of products which actually even show up before your spot. Alright, even though you are the first spot as an organic result, Amazon is trying to show a couple more products in the spot 0 and the spot -1, which is because they are running ads for that particular keyword. That means eventually you can lose your position if they are converting better than you, alright? If customers click on those listings and they end up purchasing those products which are shown as ads, then you can end up losing that spot or even end up losing being on first page of your primary keyword, right? So if you are running your ads, what can happen is that you can take two spots, alright? Instead of one spot on the first page, you can be at two spots. One spot, you can be there because you are just organically ranking for that keyword, and the second spot, you can actually take over by bidding highest, or basically by running ads for that particular keyword, right? So you would end up showing up in the ad spot, alright, because that is up for bids. You can actually bid for it and get that spot, and you would also show up on the first page because you are just showing up over there because of your organic ranking. That means you can double the number of clicks that you get on that particular page just by appearing twice. That means you can actually potentially even 2x your sales, because now you are basically having more real estate than anybody else on that page because you are showing up there organically and you're also taking up that ad spot, alright? So that is the reason why should you not be stopping your ads even if you come on the first page for your most primary keyword. Alright, so I hope that answers the question. I hope you picked the right side. If you did not, let me know down below in the comments. If you have any more questions about PPC or anything about Amazon, drop them down below in the comments and I will be answering them in the future videos. Alright, winner from the last video, hit me up on Facebook. Let's set up that call and let's have a quick 15-minute call one-on-one. Alright, if you want to win the call, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell and watch my next video. Adios.